Saying ciao everyone. First, thank you so much for watching my videos. This is the second week in Ninh Binh, and today we visit a UNESCO heritage site. It's called the Hoa Lu Ancient Capital. So it's a beautiful capital that was built in the 10,000, and we will visit it together. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. In the late 10th century, from 968 to 1009, Hoa Lu was the capital as well as the economic, political, and cultural center of Vietnam. In 1010, following the dynasty of the first emperor, the second emperor transferred the capital to Hanoi, and Hoa Lu became known as the Ancient Capital. The Ancient Capital was located in a flat valley between small but steep limestone mountains that created virtually impenetrable barriers for human traffic. Right now, you are looking at the temple that honored the first emperor of Vietnam. He declared himself king in 938. The temple is located on the ground of the former main palace of the royal citadel. I have a fun fact for you. Do you see the step when you enter the temple? Well, they designed that way so you are forced to bow slightly or lower your head as a gesture of humility and respect when you enter the temple. This second temple honored the second emperor of the ancient capital. The design of this temple is almost identical of the first one, including gardens, water, and a Buddhist temple. Finally, I decided to attack the Mayan mountain with its 350 steps. At the top, you can find a little temple and also a beautiful panoramic view of the Hoa Lu imperial city. Saying ciao everyone, how are you this morning? Hey, today we visit one of the most popular activity in the area called the Mua Cave. So the Mua Cave consists of a little cave, but the most important attraction here is to climb the mountain 500 steps and to look at the point view. It's supposed to be very beautiful. So let's try that together. And I'm sure that I will take few breaks on my climbing and I will show you everything. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Alright guys, let's start climbing that mountain. Alright, 500 steps. Let's go.
At one point, you need to decide, are we going on the right? Or are we going on the left? I think the left won today. I think the left side was a winner because we have a little rest area and we have a beautiful view of the right side and we can see how the people climb there. Hey, look at this, we have a little friend. He's probably say, hey, follow me, I will show you exactly how to do it. Wow, finally I made it. I did the 500 steps and I'm at the top and the view is totally amazing.
Well, I was not totally at the top, but if you want to go touch the nose of the dragon, it's up to you, but it's really risky. You need to be in good shape and young, and for me, I will pass. Now it's time to go down, so let's do those 500 steps downhill now. Oof, finally at the bottom with this beautiful dragon. Wow, I'm so happy. I did the Mua Caves in Vietnam. That was a great experience.
Xin chào everybody. Hey, this is my last segment for this video and I'm around the lake in Tam Coc. It's a beautiful little lake and it's where all the boat tour also started. And maybe you will see in the background when I will talk some boat going away. And one of the special thing here is the conductors of the boat. They drive the boat with their feet. So I will try to video a little bit of this and show you it's very special, and don't try at home, it's very complicated. So the second thing I would like to talk a little chat is about a famous term here when you rent a place called homestay. It's kind of a sword with two edges. So when they said homestay, it's because it's managed by a family. So first it's looked pretty cool. It's say, hey, you know, I'm staying with a family, and so it could be an hotel, it could be a motel. The thing is, they stay, they live on the facility. So give you a little bit of my experience about that. The first one in Hanoi. So the family was living on the premise, and it's pretty cool. But they have very young kids, like preschool. So, and also I think the lady, she want to do some more money, and she turned like the lobby as a daycare. So she was taking care of other kids. So it's fine if you stay for a day or two. If you stay for a longer period like me, maybe it could be annoying a little bit, but you know, of course you go into your room and you don't really care about the lobby, but you know, at one point. Another thing here in Tam Coc, my first hotel, was little cabins around the pool. Beautiful place, and a little garden, and the pool and everything was also a homestay. And she had also young kids, and during weekends, well, the family coming over. So the grandpa, the grandma, the aunts, the uncles, and the kids, and it's screaming, and you know, it's all over the place. So again, if you stay for one day or two, it's fine. But if you stay for longer, like me, sometimes, you know, they start early in the morning, you finish late. You know, it's screaming. You know, the kids, they fight each other, they cry and everything. So. But on the other side, you know, it's nice to stay with them a little bit. You know, they take care of you like a family, and it's pretty cool. Another example, I went to a restaurant, and also was like a homestay restaurant. So, you know, had a big day, very tired, want like a relaxed dinner. And you know, you got the babies and the screaming around the tables and running around. So I give up. So, but don't get me wrong, I love kids, but you know, sometimes it's time to have a little break. That's it about my homestay. So be careful if you rent a homestay. Maybe you can ask if they have young kids or not, or stuff like that. But in general, it's pretty cool. The second thing I want to talk is so tonight I'm leaving Tam Coc, and I'm going I will tell you, I'm going central Vietnam to Da Nang. It's a 13 hours drive by bus. So I'm taking a bus, but a sleep bus.
So it's pretty cool. Those bus, it's like 20 little cabins inside the bus. You have your own curtain, you have your own bed, and you leave at 8 o'clock by night and you arrive at 9 o'clock the next morning. And I would try to show you some little videos or pictures of that. It's pretty cool. So I'm taking that tonight. You know, remember last time we said thank you was common? So now we just add a little thing if we want to say thank you very much. So kamunyu. Kamunyu mean thank you very much. So it's pretty easy. All right. So let me finish with my kamunyu. Thank you so much to subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. I really love it. It's we have a lot of views, and I really appreciate. And see you in a week. All right. Thank you so much. Kamunyu. À la prochaine.